Hi guys, this is Kyle with Rapid Topper. The whole reason for this was that it's virtually impossible to take off any camper. They're super front heavy, awkward. Even if you have 4 friends to do it, it's still really hard and also dangerous. That was where this invention came from, was to have it one person operable, no heavy lifting at all, and it takes about 15 minutes to do it, to take virtually any camper off. We basically replace the seat clamps that go inside of your truck that hold down the camper. And not only do they hold it down nice and tight, but they also lift it up 5 inches. So the reason for this is that once you lift it up, we have a stand set that actually deploys underneath of it. You set it back down the stands, and then you can drive away. The easiest way to do that is with a drill. So 14mm socket, doesn't have to be an impact. So you go on the top, lifts down. Once you're down on top of your stands, you can take your pin, pull the pin out, take the fork out, that slides off, and then you're on the stands. After that, you can drive away, get your truck back. What we supply are these corner brackets, and they connect on the bottom and top, 1.25" EMT piping you can buy at any hardware store. And what you're doing is you're cutting to your truck width and your truck height once, and then after that, you assemble. That's your stand set. The rapid lifts themselves are basically straight bolt-on. You're only drilling 4 holes on the flat lip camper for specifically this turbo topper. Adjustable for up and down and front to back. You've got a guide bar that actually keeps the camper true and straight. We've got a lifting bolt, and then the actual logo itself is also our warning window, so that when you're lifting up, you can also see the guide bar there. If you're going upwards in a negative, you can see how it goes out of the logo. And that's also where you're gonna know how to stop lifting and keeping your threads inside. After that, the stands go on, you disconnect.
Very clever.
I have no affiliation with Rapid Topper. I just saw this at Expo Mountain West and thought it was a clever solution for anyone who needs to regularly remove and reinstall their truck topper. To take a closer look, visit rapidtopper.com. Thanks for watching.